This is the Young Investor for the New Investor podcast, and today the value of my portfolio is $49,932.05, or a general drop of $938.74 from yesterday. Remember when I said that large overnight fluctuations, positive or negative, are normal? I did reach yesterday even a portfolio value of $51,000, only to drop back to previous levels of 2 days ago. So such should not trigger you to sell any of your positions. There are reasons why the stocks lost value yesterday, but they are not important to us, remember, as we are in it for the long term. On the contrary, I see an opportunity here. All of my stocks have lost their value, and one of them, particularly Bank of America, dropped by 4.15% yesterday and reached a level at 7.97% below what I had paid initially for it. So I see this as an opportunity to increase my position with Bank of America. Doing this will lower my average price that I have paid for the company, and hence giving you more opportunity for growth. However, do you know my weakness here? I did not keep cash aside that would allow me to take advantage of that opportunity, and I will certainly not sell any other stock in my portfolio to do this. That is food for thoughts. Always keep cash on hand. It will be up to you to determine the proportion of your savings kept aside in the event of a large negative stock market fluctuation, so you have the buying power to purchase discounted stocks of the companies in your portfolio, all the ones you are keeping an eye on. All I hope for now is that this stock will remain at this level for another 8 or 9 days until I receive my salary, basically. Now, after this major failure of mine, let's talk about the tools that support me in my journey towards financial freedom. Please note that I receive no compensation from these guys. This is your step-by-step toolbox right here. You need to start, as I mentioned before, by downloading the Pocket Expense Pro app. This will allow you to budget and also keep track of your expenses. It will show you, once you have populated the app with your data, exactly where you stand in terms of your evolution of your net worth, your cash flow position, your income, your expenses, etc. More importantly, once you have done the exercise for the whole year like me, it will give you your objective at year end. And this is what you need to aim for this year. So it is a highly recommended app. After that, once you have determined how much money you can save and invest, open a brokerage account and open it with Saxo Capital Markets. This is the one I use, and it is it's based out of Singapore. It has a solid reputation. You can research this online and ask around about them first. But they have a user-friendly investing platform allowing you to invest in stocks, bonds, commodities, etc. However, I only look at stocks as far as I'm concerned. Their platform is user-friendly, which is important to the new investor, and also gives you news and insights from their team of experts if ever they're relevant to you. Now, their commission base is $3.99 per transaction, which is very reasonable. So I highly recommend you to open your account with them. They also have an app that you can use on the go on your phone or tablet. So it's pretty useful. Another app after that is Yahoo Finance. Great source of news and information. They also have detailed data on each listed companies. So once you have taken the previous steps before making your budget, opening your brokerage account, it will be time to enter your holdings in that app to track your stock and portfolio performance. Now, the app will also give you real-time stock movement when markets are open with a delay. Now, we are not traders, right? So we're long-term investors, so we do not mind the daily fluctuations, so it works just fine with a delay. Again, highly recommended. Another app called Seeking Alpha. I really love this app. It is a great source of information, as it is a platform which contains daily articles written by experts, but also by regular investors like you or me, who are sharing their analysis of the market and of your stocks. So once you've entered your holdings into the app, it will feed you targeted news and articles on the companies you have invested in. Now, great source of information, allowing you as well to form your own opinion as the information you receive is usually unbiased. Other apps that I highly recommend is News360 and Google News. Now, I highly recommend you to download these apps as you can customize your news feed to send you only information you're actually interested in. Now, apart from your hobbies, you can customize it to feed you mainstream information on the company's CEO, product, analysis of all kinds, and articles targeted onto the companies you actually have invested in. So this will allow you to form your own opinion again and stay informed on the companies and industries you are aiming at investing into. Now, I hope that episode brought you value, and please feel free to reach out as I would love to get better at this and learn from you as well. I wish you a fantastic weekend ahead, and let's talk again.
The podcast you just heard was made using Anchor. Ever thought about making your own podcast? Anchor makes it really easy for anyone to get started. It's a one-stop shop for recording, hosting, and distributing podcasts. Best of all, it's 100% free. Sign up now at anchor.fm/new. That's anchor.fm/new to get started.